Are you an entrepreneurial spirit with a hunger for online cash? Freelancing is the perfect side hustle for you. Freelancers get hired for short-term projects from one or more clients. And the cherry on top, it's fully customizable to your schedule. Freelancing opens up a world of possibilities. Graphic design, writing, video editing, and even real estate are just a few of the jobs you can do. Need help figuring out where to start? No worries. You can promote your skills for free through personal networks like email and social media. Or head to portals like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com to handle project management and payments for you. And if you want to level up your game, create your website to dazzle clients with your portfolio of work and offer easy online payments through Square or other providers. Freelancing allows you to choose which projects to work on for whom, setting your schedule and workload, but let's remember that freelancing requires self-discipline, motivation, and good time management skills to meet deadlines and communicate effectively with clients. Yes, freelancing can be challenging, but it's also enriching. With the freedom to work from anywhere in the world and the potential to earn more than your typical 9-to-5 gig, freelancing can be a dream for those with an entrepreneurial flair. So, why wait? Grab the opportunities that freelancing has to offer and subscribe to unlock the following video.